How to hide apps in a hidden folder on iOS 18. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone in a special hidden folder with iOS 18. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, find the app you want to hide on your home screen. Long press the app icon to reveal the menu. Next, tap Require Face ID. From the pop-up, select Hide and Require Face ID, and authenticate with Face ID. Now, the app will be removed from your home screen and app library. To access hidden apps, go to the app library, scroll down, tap on the hidden folder, and authenticate with Face ID. To unhide an app, long press the app in the hidden folder. Choose Add to Home Screen or Don't Require Face ID. And that's how you hide apps in a hidden folder on your iPhone. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.